for writing informative or explanatory text in which you name a topic, give some facts about the topic, and give some sense of closure. So your learning targets are to be able to write an informational piece that names a topic, gives facts about the topic, and gives a sense of closure, meaning it has some conclusion or ending to it, so that I can clearly give information about a topic, and I'm successful when the reader learns facts about my topic. So we're going to focus on introductions. So when you're writing informative writing, the introductions are very important. They introduce your reader to the topic and they introduce the reader to the text. The sentence or the introduction comes before you start to give your facts. So some different ways to begin is to ask a question, use, and that big word is onomatopoeia, which is like sound words like whoosh, bam, just any words that mean a sound bzz, like a bee, or use a comparison. So the volcano blast was as tall as the Empire State Building. Relate to the reader. Have you ever felt like you were so frustrated with your homework that you just wanted to tear it up? Well, let me give you some tips to help you out. That would be giving somebody information. A quotation, something somebody said, or a dialogue, a conversation that's happening between two people, or a fun fact or statement that kids may find really interesting. A lot of times we begin our writing by saying, okay, today I'm going to tell you, and that's fine, but going into second grade, we want to be able to begin our introductions in different types of ways. So on this next page, I gave you some examples for different topics of 2 different ways you could begin your writing. So one is about the dog. Now this just isn't a normal kind of dog. This is a working dog. So some people that can't see have working dogs. Also, working dogs help police officers to find things, or other people that help us, other service workers. This one is a chipmunk that's hibernating or hiding up under his home underground. This is a dinosaur, and this is also a service dog, the canine dogs that they have in police cars. So this introduction is woof, woof, there's a dog in the library, which tells me that they're probably going to tell us about dogs that help people see, because he's in the library, because he's helping somebody walk around in the library. And then the second one was some dogs are allowed in public places because they are working dogs. For the chipmunk, zzz, there's that onomatopoeia, zzz. That chipmunk is snoozing in its den. That's what it calls its home, is its den. And then the second one, chipmunks hibernate in the wintertime. And this picture obviously illustrates that. For the dinosaur, a Tyrannosaurus Rex is quite different from reptiles today. So we're going to learn ways that the dinosaur, the Tyrannosaurus Rex, is different from reptiles of today. And then a T-Rex was one of the largest meat-eating dinosaurs. That's kind of one of those fun facts that we were talking about before. Then the last we have is the canine dog. Did you just see that dog in the back seat of the police car? Ooh, was the dog arrested? What's going on with that dog? It makes me wonder. And then the second one was a dog that works for the police department is called a canine. So you know from that sentence that you're about to learn about those dogs that are in the back of police cars called canines. So I hope this helps you to write your introductions for your informational pieces of writing.